A buyer's list isn't how many names you have. It's how many people can actually close. Most wholesale deals don't fail because of sellers. They fail because the buyer's list was never real. It was a spreadsheet full of maybes, old contacts, and people who sounded interested but never showed up when it counted. In this video, we're going to talk about how to build a real buyer's list for real estate wholesaling. Not just names on a spreadsheet, but actual buyers who move fast and close on deals. Welcome back to the REI Edge. This channel is about real estate investment education without the hype. Clear fundamentals, smarter decisions, and understanding how real estate wholesaling actually works in the real world. If you've ever scrambled to find a buyer after you got a deal under contract, this video will clear up exactly why that happens and how to make sure it never happens again. Let's start with the misconception that trips up almost every beginner wholesaler. They think a buyer's list is about quantity, more emails, more phone numbers, more contacts in a spreadsheet. But here's the truth. A big list doesn't help if no one is ready, qualified, or actually motivated to buy. Think about what a bloated wholesale buyer's list actually cost you. Time spent sending deals to people that never respond. False confidence that makes you contract deals that never had a real exit. And damaged credibility when deadlines get missed because your buyer was never real. A real buyer's list is about quality and clarity, not size. 10 verified active buyers will always outperform 1,000 unqualified contacts. This is where most wholesaling education falls short. Nobody defines what a real buyer looks like. A real buyer is not someone that said they might buy something someday. Someone that gets excited on the phone and then disappears when the numbers show up. Someone that's been on your list for 6 months and has never closed on anything. A real wholesale buyer has cash or confirmed reliable funding, knows exactly what they buy, price range, neighborhood, property type, understands their own numbers and can move without hand-holding, can close on a defined timeline without constant follow-up, has a track record, even a short one, of actually closing. Here's the mindset shift. Your buyer's list is only as strong as your weakest buyer. One active buyer that closes consistently is worth more to your wholesaling business than 50 names that never do anything. Now, let's talk about why most wholesalers' buyers lists fail. Because it's almost never about the number of contacts. They fail because expectations were never set. Buyers don't know what kind of deals to expect, what your process looks like, or how quickly they need to move. Deal criteria was never clarified. You don't know what they actually buy. So you send everything to everybody and hope something sticks. Communication was inconsistent. You blast deals when you have them and go silent when you don't. Serious buyers start to tune you out. No relationship was ever built. The best buyers in a market work with wholesalers they trust. If you're just another name in their inbox, you're not a priority. When wholesalers blast every deal to everyone without context or criteria, serious buyers stop responding. They get their deals elsewhere from wholesalers that respect their time and bring clean, well-analyzed opportunities. Strong wholesalers segment their list, communicate clearly, and treat buyers like the business partners they are. Here's what separates experienced real estate wholesalers from beginners. When it comes to building a buyer's list, they build it before they need it. That means having regular conversations with buyers, not just when a deal needs to move, asking specifically What are they actively buying right now? Learning their price ranges, preferred neighborhoods, and property types. Tracking who actually shows up, moves fast, and closes. And following up after closings to understand what actually worked and what didn't. They don't guess, they verify. A wholesale buyer's list is built through real conversations, not downloaded from a website, not scrapped from public record, not collected from a networking event and never followed up on. Every name on a strong buyer's list has a story behind it, a conversation, a closed deal, or a relationship that's been actively developed. That's how professional wholesalers build a buyer's list that actually moves deals. If your current buyer's list isn't performing, here's how to strengthen it without starting over. Audit what you have. Go through your list and identify who actually closed with you or responded to deals seriously. These are your real buyers. Everyone else needs to be requalified or removed. Have requalification conversations. A simple message like, hey, I want to make sure I send you deals that fit what you're actively buying right now. What are you actively looking for? This one conversation will tell you immediately who's real and who isn't. Present fewer deals better. Stop blasting. Start presenting. Send clean deals with clear numbers, honest condition report, and realistic timelines. Serious wholesale buyers will respond to that every time. Follow up consistently, not just when you have a deal. Check in, share market observations, ask questions. Buyers come back to wholesalers that stay present and bring value in between transactions. Protect your credibility. Never oversell a deal. Never hide a problem. Never push a buyer to move faster than they're comfortable with. Trust the real asset in a buyer's list, and it takes far longer to rebuild than it does to lose. At the REI Edge, we teach that buyers are not an afterthought in real estate wholesaling. They are a relationship. When buyers trust your deal analysis and communication, deals move faster because decisions are easier. Negotiations get smoother because there's mutual respect. Fallout decreases because expectations were set correctly from the start. Your reputation grows in ways that bring new buyers to you organically. A strong wholesale buyers list is not built in a week. It's built intentionally. One conversation, one closed deal, one trusted relationship at a time. That's how professional real estate wholesalers operate. And that's the standard we hold at the REI Edge. If you want to wholesale real estate professionally and consistently, not just occasionally, subscribe to the REI Edge. In the next video, we'll break down how wholesale deals actually get sold in 72 hours or less, and what makes serious buyers move fast. Because in real estate wholesaling, deals don't move fast because you have more buyers. They move fast because you have the right ones. If so far you found value in our channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit like, leave us a comment, and share with your friends and family. Clarity is the edge.